All right, so now everyone, we are going to go a step further with creating interactive activities and presentations for our students and presentations just in general for presenting to an audience of teachers or our professors or lecturers. So let's take a look at this presentation and then I'm going to show you what I did. So we're going to start from this current slide. You see I have a new activity. It says move the correct word to the complete sentence. So I asked my students, how did Gordon feel? Was Gordon angry or was Gordon hungry? So if my students guess it correctly and they say hungry, I would say great job. And then what I would do is I would go ahead and click on this and I would move it up. Okay, so Gordon was hungry. Excellent. So now, how exactly did I do that? So let's go back into this, and we're going to go into this slide. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to animations, and we're going to click on, where is it? Custom animation. So when you click on custom animation, this box opens up. And what you're able to do is you can add the effect that you want connected to it. So let's say I want this to go away. So I'm going to go ahead and click on exit. And I think I'll do fly out. Okay. So now let's look at it all again. Play. It goes up. It moves up. The wrong answer goes away. So that's how it would look if I presented it. But let's go through all of the steps together of what exactly I did. So let me first remove all of this so that I will have a blank presentation. All right, so again, you go to animations, custom animation, click on the object that you want to customize. Click on add effect. Do you want it to be an interest? Do you want emphasis on it? Do you want an exit or motion parts? Okay. So what I want to do is I want to emphasize it. So I'm going to click on this arrow and I want to spin it. So it spins. Okay. But I also want this to move up to the correct answer, to the part of the sentence. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another effect. So add effect, and I'm going to choose motion paths. And I want it to go up. So I'm going to click up. Okay. However, it didn't go up far enough. So I need to move this over and move it higher up. So I want to make sure it's properly connected, moving it over so it's kind of in the middle of the sentence and move it further up. So let's see if that works. So it spins and then it moves up. And that's exactly how I want it to look. Now, again, I also want this to go away. So I'm going to go ahead and add an effect and click on exit, choose the one that I want. And now it goes away. So let's take a look at how it will look for my slideshow because again, we want to make sure everything is correct. So I have my narration, I have my questions connected. He was hungry. I move into next. I have my spelling option. He was hungry. I move into next. And now we need to choose the correct sentence. Correct sentence is hungry. It moves, goes up, and angry goes away. So it's exactly how I want it to look.